Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're here with at my house with Nate and Chris, and we're going to try something simple that a lot of people pass up. We're just going to make some pancakes from scratch. I've done this many times before with the regular pancakes, and it comes out great. Worth trying it out at least once, because I think you'll notice a difference. With this today, we're going to try something different, and I'm going to do buttermilk pancakes. See how that comes out. I pulled the recipe offline. Looks very similar to a typical recipe, except that it's got the buttermilk. So we'll give that a shot, see if everybody likes it. Just eggs, buttermilk, vanilla. We got baking soda and baking powder, and sugar for ingredients. A couple, so anyways, it's pretty simple, as you can see. We'll dress it up, we'll give people some options, and we'll go from there. We'll have the ingredients posted online as well on our website, and the list and the directions and whatnot. But
pancake day. Let's go. We're gonna mix it up.
To the griddle, we let the pancake mix rest for about 10-15 minutes at least. That's what's recommended, and you can see it kind of aerated a little bit from the baking soda or baking powder. I'm going to put a couple down. As you can see, we're very dedicated with the cooking out in this overcast,
it's crappy outside,
cold, cruddy weather, crappy day. But anyway, it should be pretty quick. Let's see what this looks like here.
Pancake day.
Pancake day. And we got this on low. We got this all the way on low. We figure we can turn it up a little bit if we want, but I think that's a good temperature.
So how's your life?
Great. Great. So while this is cooking, why don't we talk about the toppings that we're going to have? We got some fresh fruit. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Let the kids pick whatever they want. I also made a fresh whipped cream again. If you're going light, obviously you don't have to have that. But if you watch our crepe video, you'll see how we did the whipped cream. It's super easy, really quick. We'll throw the link up down below for the whipped cream maker. Really convenient, but we'll kind of show you that as we plate this up. But it shouldn't be too much longer here. We'll do a quick video of what these look like flipped over and rising up. Go from there.
What do you think? Ready to flip pretty soon? You want to check one?
They're real light. We just checked.
Yeah.
Can I stop this? Yeah, flip one.
That's a good color right there. Literally, that was what? Maybe a minute and a half? If that. That's a nice color. That's what pancakes are supposed to look like.
And don't pat them down.
Don't pat them down, you leave them.
I yelled at it. I wanted to pat, no pat.
No.
Want them to rise up a little
Look
bit.
at those. Those look beautiful.
Really good. So do a taste test after to see if it's actually worth, the tiny bit of extra effort versus the out of box. I think it's going to be. I've had regular pancakes made, and for the minimal amount of effort, you definitely taste the difference.
All right, so take these off, plate them up, do a little taste test.
Perfect. We'll see you up at the kitchen.
So the question of the day was, is it worth it to make this mix yourself instead of just using the stuff that you get in the box? We think it was. We think that it wasn't really a whole lot of work to make this, and it did make a better pancake. It wasn't like way, way better, right? But it was better. It tasted a little... You taste a little bit of that sourness from the buttermilk, and the taste of the vanilla really came through. Plus, the griddle did a great job cooking them. You could see how well they browned up nice and even. So if you have the time and you want to try it, it definitely makes a better pancake. Like I said, not hugely better, but a better pancake. All right, thanks for checking out the channel, guys. We'll be posting something again soon. Take it easy.